Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to Cloudflare for easy management. Now what I'm going to start here with is a domain I already have. I haven't changed it or added it to Cloudflare at all, but I'm going to show you this simple process. Now I have one here, so I'm just going to click on it inside of my GoDaddy account. When you're inside a GoDaddy, you're able to manage your domains. There is a lot inside. So here we just want to focus on our DNS records. And we are going to come over for the time being to our name servers. Now you can see if you are inside a GoDaddy, you have ns11.domaincontrol.com and then ns12.domaincontrol.com. I'm going to leave this here and I'm going to go over to our Cloudflare account. Now, Cloudflare is free for you to use. There are also upgrades, but right now we're only going to focus on free Cloudflare accounts. Okay, so I am inside of here. I'm inside of my account and I clicked add domain. Let's go ahead and go back inside of my account. I have all my domains. The one that I chose from GoDaddy is not in here, so I'm going to do add domain, and I'm going to put in my existing domain. Oh, there we go. And we're going to do a quick scan for DNS records, just because you never know, it might be hosted somewhere else, but we're just going to do this. It is recommended, or you can manually enter your own DNS records if you are comfortable. Let's go ahead and click continue. Now from here, you have a couple of plans. You have the Pro plan, Business plan, on Enterprise plan. We're only going to focus on free. Now, sometimes on your screen, if your screen isn't as big as mine, it will have the free hidden underneath. So you just got to scroll down and go to the free account. Click. Now from here, it's going to load everything that it has for the domain from GoDaddy. It may take a couple of minutes too. So I'm just going to refresh real quick and redo that. Continue. Okay, so now that it has load, it shows that it has domain. It's hooked up to another account, so that's perfectly fine. We're just going to go ahead and delete these. Yours will be totally blank if it's not connected to any other site. Now we have our NS records, and we're going to come over here to our DNS and change those. So we have jack.ns and maya.ns. So let's go ahead and change those inside of our GoDaddy account. So we're going to take the first one, Jack, and we are going to select change name servers. And we're going to use my own, and we're going to put in Jack. And the second one is Maya. Click continue. And your request is in progress. Let's go ahead and refresh our screen over here. Now it is pending until you complete the instructions on the overview page. So just like that, depending on how your domain is set up, you may be connected over to this overview page, or like in my video, it just took me over to the records section. So you do want to make sure that you change your name servers. Jack is 1, Mia is 2. You have to put them in order so that you can see them. And then it may take up to 24 to 48 hours. Just know if your domain doesn't connect right away, it is just still connecting to the registrars. So it's in a pending state, and you'll be able to see that. But that is how you connect your domain from GoDaddy to your Cloudflare account. Please remember that that Cloudflare is free to use. Go ahead and click on the link below this video to get your free Cloudflare account.